Sofia, Bulgaria, August 23, 2026. A powerful hailstorm with strong gusts of wind hit Sofia, Bulgaria today. Millions of huge walnut-sized ice chunks fell in the capital after 4 p.m. In some places they were even as big as an egg. Thunder was also heard, accompanied by strong winds. Eyewitnesses commented that they had never seen anything like it before. Immediately after the storm, the sun's rays illuminated the sky again. A yellow code has been declared for storms and hail in part of the country for today. Dozens of reports of fallen trees and flooding have been received by the Sofia municipality after the short but intense storm over Sofia, accompanied by hail. At the moment, 34 reports of downed trees and large branches have been registered, as well as 14 reports of puddles on the roadway. The strong wind and torrential rain have also brought down a large amount of leaves, which has clogged some of the drainage shafts. Reports from citizens continue to arrive. The bad weather also damaged 3 traffic lights, including at the busy intersection between Bulgaria Boulevard and Academic. Ivan Evstadiv Boulevard teams from the Sofia Inspectorate, the Emergency Assistance and Prevention Directorate, and Specialized Maintenance Services are working on site to drain the roads, clear the roads, and repair the damage to the traffic lights. The broken tree trunk broke the window of a car parked in the green zone of Vitosha Boulevard. 8 teams of the Sofia municipality are ready to respond to signals after the torrential rain and hail in Sofia. A fallen tree in Geo Milev broke a park bench. The warning for dangerous storms and precipitation is in effect for the districts of Montana, Vratsa, Pleven, Lovech, Ruse, Veliko Tarnovo, Gabrovo, Stara Zagora, Plovdiv, Pazardzik, Sofia City, Sofia Region, Pernik, Kestendil, Blagovgrad, and Smolyan. The development of the atmospheric situation showed that the forecasts captured the expected development of convective activity over the capital. Such storms often develop quickly and can lead to short-term but intense precipitation, strong wind gusts, and thunderstorm activity. The dangerous atmospheric situation was predicted about 16 hours before its occurrence, when a warning was issued for a high probability of developing a powerful thunderstorm in the Sofia region, informs Meteo Balkans. The actual development of the processes confirmed the expected convective activity over the city. Such phenomena form extremely quickly and are usually accompanied by short-term but torrential rains, strong gusts of wind and lightning. Forecasting summer storms remains a complex task, as the exact location and timing of individual cells can change within hours. Despite this dynamic, modern numerical models and specialized meteorological analyses allow us to identify areas with increased risk of extreme events. The timely warning before the storm in Sofia emphasizes the importance of regularly monitoring current forecasts, especially during the summer season, as new analyses and information about the meteorological situation in the capital and the country are forthcoming. The firefighter said, "We have 11 signals for fallen trees. Some of them are on cars. We also have 6 signals for flooding. At the moment, there is no longer a storm, no rain, the water is draining, but teams from the Sofia Inspectorate are on the field with us to clean the fallen leaves so that the manholes will not be clogged anymore." The Sofia Fire Safety Directorate is also on the field, and together we are processing these 11 signals. So far, there is no information about flooded streets and underpasses. There are waterloggings that drain very quickly. They occurred as a result of fallen leaves from the hail, which clogged the manholes. Teams of the Sofia Directorate of Emergency Assistance and Prevention, together with the Sofia Inspectorate, are unclogging them. We do not have any major waterloggings so far. There are no flooded streets, no flooded underpasses. So far, 7 reports of fallen trees have been filed with the Sofia Fire Department. At this time, fire brigade teams have been sent to different parts of Sofia. They are clearing fallen branches and trees. There is no information about people injured from the strong storm so far, the fire department summarized. The reports that have been filed so far are for damage that was caused mainly in the central part of the city. The fire department has no information about serious flooding. As a result of the strong wind, road signs have fallen in places, as well as other parts of the road infrastructure. The main directorate explained that 9 reports of flooded houses have been received in Batak, as well as in the village of Nova Mahala, which is in the area. There, the main damage is associated with flooded ground floors and yards. 3 teams have been sent to the site to work on drainage. The Directorate National System 112 at the Ministry of Interior specified to the Bulgarian National Radio that so far, signals have been submitted for various damages from the strong wind, rain and hail. They have received 60 signals for various damages from the storm in Sofia region and Sofia city. 16 of the signals are for floods, 38 of the signals are for fallen trees and for breakdowns in the power grid, mainly broken electrical wires, and one of the signals is for a blown-up transformer post.